Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. It is a very sad day for us today because Zahara has allegedly passed away just now. This is breaking news, guys. So the SABC posted a statement that Zahara has passed away. They posted this on their Facebook page. Check out this picture. SABC News posted their breaking news that the award-winning singer/songwriter Bulelwa Zahara Mkutukana has passed away. It is with great sadness that she has passed on, and there's something in me that's just hoping this is not true, because we still need her, we still love her. She was very talented, so it's just a big loss for us. We are hoping for good news soon, that maybe it was a mistake or misunderstanding. But yes guys, if it's true, then rest in peace Zahara. I trust the SABC guys. They are a legit reporting site which is always informing us of something, So I don't know guys, but I trust them. Please let me know in the comment section, do you think this is true?